here we come to the elevators at the west side of Williams Center. These are US, but unfortunately, they're about to be modernized. Oh, wait. That one's out of service. Let's go up to 6. Door closed doesn't work. The other side's probably
got 5 floors. Those are 6.
Yeah, those only got 5. And also fake buttons.
So this is probably one of the last rides on the original US elevators.
Yeah, these are US, but these are
also going to be modded into Agile, just like
Agiles, because like the other side. I knew this was going to happen and now the east ones are.
But at least they're getting a pretty good mod.
Yeah, those are good. Let's go down to B. Oh, B is locked. B is locked.
Yeah, you need a badge for that.
It's 8 floors actually, because it's because B park 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyways, here's the cab. There's the numbers. It's unfortunate these are going to be modernized because these are from the 80s. These are really good. Door open. As soon as it going down.
Up. Sorry.
You're gonna have to wait. Push the button again. Push the button again. You'll send another one. B is locked. You need a card meter.
Let's get off the parking garage.
Let's get off on P. Well, let's get one last look here. I do not know if these nudge or not. I'm guessing they do because they're US. But here's the GL interlock. You can hear it clicking. So anyways, we're gonna let it go. And that's gonna be it. Here's the...
This kiosk is out of service.
Please use another kiosk. There is none.
This kiosk is out of service.
That's so sad. But it's pretty sad. These are getting modded.
Yeah, they just put the kiosk in. That's all they did so far.
But
they might be modernizing one, so they might have started with...
Probably the east end is probably also getting modernized at some point.
Yeah, it's going to be maybe a couple months before they're all gone.
Yep.
There's a Simplex True Alert.
Yep.
Horn strobe, which is rare for a high rise. Let's go up because B is locked. We can't go any further down.
We might get one of the other cars. Who knows?
Let's
No,
hope.
I think these cars are.
That one's
modded. This one, that one is probably in the progress of getting it, and this one is not modded.
So that one is. This one is
modded.
It's not working though.
Yeah, because they don't want to turn on the 2 different controllers.
Yeah.
Because they have the TAC 50.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah, this is the original US controller from like the mid '80s. Very early microprocessor. My camera can focus.
Oh, it's that one.
Yep, we got the same one. That one
I guess
is.
that one might not be working either.
Yep, both of them aren't working yet.
Alright, back up to 1.
Yep, let's go up to 1. And it's really unfortunate. This is the last one that's still original.
Yep.
Here we go.
The other things are saying the capacity is 3,500 pounds.
Yep, capacity is 3,500. It's on the other. It's over.
Okay.
Yeah. I can't see it. I don't know where it is. I don't know where the capacity label is, but it is 3,500, I think.
There it is.
Anyways, that's it.